Hello guys, welcome to the new video which in this video we will go through how you can gift someone with a game on your from your Steam. So first of all you need to open Steam, and after that go here to the store, browse, and here you have store home. You can then choose the game whichever you want. Add this game to the cart, and after that you will go here to the cart, open up. I have here Assetto Corsa Rally. Now you can set up here, as you can see, for my account private, and this is a gift. Click on that. This is a gift. It will open up this blue button here, continue to gift options. Here you will then get one bigger blue button, select give recipient, so click on that. Here you will type in your friend's name, so be careful which friend you want to send this game. When you type in the name, you will get the button to choose. Click on that uh, to confirm, and after that you will set a delivery date. So choose the send the gift immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. You can also write a message if you want for your friend, and after that you will have continue to payment. Choose your payment method and complete the purchase, and your friend will then get a notification to accept the game into their library uh, right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.